Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can conditionally show the bird widget. From the bird settings, look for widget visibility, and on opening it, you will see two options. Always show the widget or conditionally show the widget. The conditional option lets you control visibility based on products, customers, or both. For products, you can use product tags or SKUs to decide when the widget shows or hides. Let's walk through an example using product tags. I have a chocolate cake product in my cart, and I want to hide the widget when a product with the tag cake is present. A summary of the configurations is shown. The widget will be hidden when all products in the cart have the tag cake. Notice it says all products. Every item in the cart needs to match, not just one. After refreshing the cart page, the widget is now hidden because the chocolate cake product has that tag. Now let's look at the show widget for the above product rule using the tag cake. With this rule, the widget shows as soon as any one product in the cart has the matching tag. The butter croissant product does not have the tag cake, so the widget is hidden. But as soon as we add a product with the tag cake, the widget appears immediately. Now let's set up visibility based on customer tags. I've logged into our demo customer account, and I've added the tag Allow Scheduling to the customer. Back in the widget visibility settings, I'll set the rule to only show the widget for customers who have the tag Allow Scheduling. After saving and visiting the cart page while logged in, the widget is visible because this customer has that tag. Now I'll log out and revisit the cart. As expected, the widget is gone. Since the customer is not logged in, or if any customer doesn't have the Allow Scheduling tag, the widget does not appear. That covers all the new widget visibility options. Product-based, which is based on product tags, which acts on the entire product. Or specific variants can also be targeted using variant SKUs. And then we have the customer-based options depending on customer tags. And the based on both option, in which both the product-based and customer-based configurations can be combined to create the setup that is unique to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@birdchime.com or visit birdchime.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this.